Harley.
It's a 96 Civic.
I got a little taste of Mustang body.
Except Mustang's easier. That's kind of like.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. 65 Stang Civic.
65 Stang on 96 Civic. Oh.
Should be over there with the rat rods, not over here.
Exactly.
Front wheel drive too.
Look at this. Look.
I think so.
It's different. Yeah, it is.
He's got a Honda engine, bro. Yo, look. Front wheel drive probably. Look at the exhaust. This is an invention.
Cook and go.
Check this out, bro. You gotta take a picture to show Paulie.
It has a Honda. It has a Honda.
It's literally a Civic merger.
I like the
fastest thing is probably.
There's Tom's REFURB. Look that up.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know this dude. Civic.
A Honda? Oh, come on. It's that gorgeous.
That just pissed me off.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
I love it.
You got to think outside the box.
Yep.
And they did.
That's awesome.
He gets good gas.
Go crazy.
On 96 Civic. Why? There's no point.
Man, that's what you call creative.
I like it. I hate to say it, but I like it.
It's different.
Most definitely different.
Hey, you see how many people come look, whether
Exactly.
you like it, whether you like it or not.
Like it or not.
I actually saw a guy doing this on YouTube.
Why would you do something like that?
This is great.
What do you think, Dan? Unique?
This is what most people would consider as.
He's done it well. Yeah. That's wild. Tom's REFURB on YouTube. Have a look Tom up.
Who did this?
B-Tech.
Who did this to you? It hurts me on a spiritual level. Who did this crime against humanity?
Too much free time, huh? Wasting the car.
Guys.
Somebody was drinking too much.
That's awesome.
Front wheel drive Honda. Get the fuck out of here.
You know, that's the spirit of hot rodding.
Yeah. Oh, heck yeah, absolutely.
That's why.
Yeah, exactly.
What's wrong with this picture?
Yo, that's actually wild. I was not expecting this at all.
That's awesome. Inside words, inside words.
Yeah, what the?
I seen him on TikTok.
That's fucking good. Me too. That's a lot of work. Holy crap. That is the strangest damn thing I've ever seen. That is crazy.
What in the flying
Fine. Look at the back. It's got a red Honda badge.
Holy shit.
That's some trippy shit.
I'd pull the emergency brake on that and burn the front wheels right off. He just pulled the YouTube thing up of this kid doing burnouts. Front wheels just smoked. It's cool as hell.
Dude, that's actually a sick lip, isn't it?
It's
Just sheet metal tack welded on there. That's really cool. It's really cool. It is really cool. Oh man, and he's got balls parking it right at the end.
Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, we're done.
That's just wrong.
It's so gay, I gotta take pictures of it. Does some hairy ass burnouts.
Open header.
Isn't that sinful? I don't know. That's weird.
Oh, there we go. This is sick.
No, I'm done here.
Yeah, this is the wrong shot. It should be an import.
GoPro.
That's horrible. That's horrible.
But the car.
That's freaking horrible. Dude, I would be so embarrassed.
Until it whoops half the fucking car's asses.
No.
He's got a hell of a blow up. I think it's awesome, honestly. I love it. I love it. I think it's awesome. I do like the cock and ball.
Okay.
Oh.
Why? Is that allowed? Is that allowed?
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, we successfully took Mustang to Ford Carlisle. We made it there. We're now driving in 2 hours home. Hopefully we make it, I don't know, but no matter what happens, today was a success. Thanks for watching.